we are doing the lemon tasting.
The lemon
eating challenge. The lemon challenge.
The lemon challenge. For this, you need a lemon, like one lemon for yourself, and one if you're doing it with another person.
2 lemons.
Or you never know.
1 lemon each.
Yeah.
And then you cut it up into
bite-sized pieces.
Smile size. You talk to me like that. Okay.
Let's begin. Okay. Ready? Oh, okay.
Hang on, I need it. You can see your elbow, it's like the whole thing. Okay.
I thought you were sitting back there. Ready? Set. Go.
You should have seen me when I first put it in my mouth. That was so sour. That was so sour. Done. Yay! That's disgusting. My mouth is bleeding. Is it bleeding?
Thank you guys for watching.
Please like,
subscribe,
and comment. Hello.